Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your iPhone if it won't vibrate in silent mode. First, to go to the settings, then go to the accessibility option from there and tap on touch option from here. Scroll down and find the vibrate settings. Okay, you can see the vibration option actually. Next, make sure it's turned on. If it's off, your iPhone won't vibrate. Next, go back to the main settings, then go to sounds and haptics option. From there, tap on it on the ringtone and alerts, tap haptic option. Ensure it's set to always play or play in silent mode. If it's on don't play, change it to one of the first two options. Now your iPhone should vibrate in silent mode. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.